To begin, you are going to safely raise and support the vehicle and remove the front wheels. When raising the vehicle for this work, you want to keep the front of the vehicle even. Either raise the entire front or raise the whole vehicle with a quick jack. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with that task. The 18mm nut on the sway bar drop link holds the link to the sway bar. Loosen the nut by using an 18mm wrench to hold the bolt, blue arrow, and another 18mm wrench to turn the nut. Support the wheel carrier with your floor jack, red arrow. You may need to raise or lower the wheel carrier until you find the optimal height where the top of the drop link will smoothly slide out of the strut. Now remove the upper nut by using an 18mm wrench to hold the bolt, blue arrow, and another 18mm wrench to turn the nut. Slide the drop link out of the strut. There are two different types of drop links depending on how your Cayenne is optioned. Make sure to check when ordering parts. Installation is the reverse of removal. Always use new nuts when installing and torque the hardware to 60 Newton meters or 44 foot-pounds. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.